So welcome to Learn with Salim YouTube channel. So today we will build this kind of my account page, my profile page. Okay, because previously we make our registration and login page. The registration and login page are very similar. So I think you all of guys you see my previous video which I make login and registration page. So today we will make this kind of my profile page. It's a very simple, but here is some tricky things like when you click on it, you can upload some file which is change your profile picture, and when you click on update, it will change to it will change for update your informations. Okay, then you can save. So it's an HTML, that's why I cannot add this type of functionality in HTML, but we will make it on our React. Okay, so let's jump to the video. We will build our profile page, this beautiful profile page. Okay, so at first I start my React server. Okay, and you can see this server is running in the port. If I go to the server, yeah, this one, we can see this register page because from app.js is view register page. So now we have to make our my account page. So I'm going to the page folder and I'm creating a new file for my account. So it will, maybe we can name it profile, profile.jsx. okay, good. And for profile page, we want to make a CSS file called profile.css. okay, so profile page will use React arrow function, React arrow, sorry, function component with export, sorry. Yeah, let's add the profile page in JSX. Okay, so for now we comment out the register words meta. Okay, so profile make sure the profile is import or not. Okay, otherwise it's not work. So profile page is import. Let's see it's work or not in front end. Okay, yeah, perfectly, it's working. Okay, so what we can see my profile page. Here is the heading, you can see here is a card. Okay, this is the heading. Here it is the header options, I mean an image. Here is the icons, and here is the table, and here is the button, and the content area is white. So we need this all of these things. Okay, so we will split the card in two. One is heading and one is body. We can call it body or heading. Okay, so it's easy for understand. So now I'm going to profile page, and here I make a section HTTP1 for this, and I think not need container because it's because because here is only on component only card. That's why we don't need to use container, because it's yeah, we will use flexbox. So here is div sorry sorry GROUND background. Okay, I think yeah, that's good. Then card, and then we will use card WRA.BR card reference, then sorry H1 called my profile. Okay, then we use our heading, so HEADER header. Okay, this is for card header, and use an image. So Walter tag is avatar. Okay, at first okay, so we have to import the image. Okay, we'll do it later. Let's create our component first, then we will add this image on source. Okay, and then avatar upload label HTML for each upload file. Okay, and then we use because you know, previously we had font wasm, so it will work perfectly, and we will use upload. Sorry, class name FA upload, upload, and then input. Okay, it will file, obviously ID will be sorry ID will be similar to upload file. Okay, because we will hide this input field, and we will connect with input file to our icons. Okay, so when we hide it, it will not show, so it will hide based on the level HTML code. Okay, so we add a custom CSS, sorry, inline CSS. Display dis PLAY display none, then we can use any name page name here. Okay, so our header part is okay, maybe, yeah. So next, body, so your dy body, we need, so we will update our information, so we can make it on form, rm form. Not need our actions, we will handle it by Axios, from Axios. So form, and it will be obviously table. Okay, so this we are making this one, so table, here is a table, and we will make it table, this one table, and the head th username. Now we'll copy this one 3, so it will email and PASSWORD. Okay, password. We will use this for testing purpose, for learning purpose. Okay, because no one want to see his password in the front end. Okay, but we will make it only for learning purpose. So this is t head, and now we will make a row. So it will t row, table row, and table data. Okay, so username is LWSL. Okay, and again we will copy this for 3. Okay, so lws@company.com and lws 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and now we have to add a button. Okay, so we will do a button button, because we will use 2 buttons, 1 button and it will show or hide based on our state. Okay, so button update, update profile. Okay, update profile, and type obviously submit. And it will save profile. Okay, save profile, and it's by default it will hide, and when you click on it, then we will make a function. When you click on it, then the button will hide and it will show. Okay, based on our state, true or false. Okay, and also we have to make this one. We do not I think I don't want to go another page for update user information. Okay, that's why I will make another table, and this will also by default hide when user click on the button, then it will show, and this will be hide. Okay, and again when this button, when user click on this button, then it will hide and it will show, and this data will be, because we will use here input box, so this data will be go to the functions, and then we will call our API, and then it will show, then the data will show in here. Okay, so I think it's complicated before making this functionality, so it's a little bit complicated to understand. Okay, so we will go and then we'll see step by step, otherwise it will confusing for everyone. So okay, so by default we can hide this one. We can use a class CLAWS class name button 2. Okay, button 2, and class name table table 2. Okay, So I think our JS expert is okay. Let's see a look. Update profile, this profile. I think it's okay. So we will import our CSS. Import our CSS. So it will CSS /pro file dot CSS. Okay. So let's start our CSS in file.css. So it will can where is the profile? Yes, this one. So here we go ILE. Okay, so profile.css, profile basic here we have the background color will be has 8007 0710. Okay, black 80. This one. Next, background yes, here background width will be 430 pixel. Sorry, height 520 pixel. Position absolute. Okay. Transform transition. Let's translate -50%, comma -50%. Okay, so it will go to the center. Left 50% and top 50%. Good, that's good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, so next will the card. Okay, minimum width 4 pixel, height will be auto, color will be RGB 255 till white and 0.13. Okay, and position absolute, transform, translate. So we can copy this one. Okay. Border radius, border radius will be border radius will be 10 pixels. PS equal backdoor filter, blur 10 pixels. Okay, border 2 pixels solid, this one. Box shadow will be 0 0 40 pixel, RGBA 8 7 16 and 0.6. Okay. P padding will be 40 pixel and 35 pixel. Okay, then it will drop card wrapper here, card wrapper h1, text align center, okay. Now header here, header is text align center, display flags, align item center, justify content center, with 100% position relative. Okay, now dot header header image with 100 pixel max width, max width 100 pixel, otherwise for big image it will take more width. Max height, sorry, max height 100 pixel, border 2 pixel, solid, sorry, border radius 50%. Okay, that's for image border radius. Okay, and position of it, then avatar avatar upload. What is our profile page? This one. So avatar upload, yeah, avatar upload, padding 5 pixel, digital white, color will be black, border radius 50%, position absolute, bottom 0 and right will be 35%, and translate minus 50, minus 50 and minus 35%. Okay. So okay, here are some mistakes from my side. Okay, because I think React is single page application. That's why here every CSS is loaded in HTML part and before rendering any component. That's why it's conflict with some global tag and classes. So I remove this global tag and classes and separate these classes, so different names. Okay, so now I think it's perfect. So at first we will add our emails, then I think it will looks good. So I close the all CSS after profile.js and profile.css. Okay, now I think it's perfect. I use this prefix, that's why it's working perfectly. So and pages assets, we will upload a image. So for this avatar, I'm going to my example file, this one is image.png. We can rename it so we can rename it avatar.png. Okay, and we can copy it to our so it's authentication. This PC, I'm going to my root directory, coding, YouTube, authentication, client, source, assets. This one I not need our React.js file. Okay, so avatar.png. Okay, profile page, it will come from dynamically, but we will add the static. Okay, so import avatar img from assets / avatar dot png. Perfect. So let's see the looks. Oh sorry, I don't change this source URL. Where is it? Where is it? This one. Okay, yeah, so that's working perfectly. Okay, and I think we have to fix some we can fix the height of the div, or we can control. Okay, so here is the image. So avatar img. Okay, no, it is. So where is the profile? We can either hide page, hide 100 pixel, line height. That's the problem. So we will control the upload from right, so it will maybe right 25 to 25. That's, I think, perfect. No, that will 30 is perfect. 29. So 30 and 30. Okay, perfect. So my profile, and we can margin top on RAM. Okay, so it looks better. Yeah, space. Okay, now we will design our wait. So yeah, now it's good. Okay, so now we will design our card body. Okay, so now bureau profile dot body, we can change the name, it card body, CRD, card body. Okay, and in JSX we will change this. So card body, empty we will use to RAM, and busy color will be white, padding will be to RAM, and text in obviously center. Okay, border radius or 0.8 RAM. Okay, so profile card, I think it will take its own space. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so now we will design our profile table. Okay, profile table with 100% MB on RAM, border 1 pixel, solid RB okay, and exit font size 8 pixel. Okay, yeah, that's good. Just here profile table and td border will be similar of table height or table. Okay, so now profile WREWV here. Okay, so button wrapper will use some global class with 100% height 20 pixel, maximum text align center. Okay, well, that's good. I think we can th. We can use this class also, and it's look. I think it looks a little bit good. So this one is okay. Now we will design our button. Okay, so dot profile dot view button wrapper speed button. Okay, and padding 0.5 rem and 1 rem, border 2 pixel, solid, transparent, outline none, color will be white, background color will be has on 845 AD, and font at 600, cursor pointer DRMSI transition 0.3 second wall easy and out. Okay, perfect, that's good. So we'll add hover effect. It will background color transparent, and border will be 2 pixel solid, this color. Okay, and color also this color. Perfect. We can use so we have to use table 2 class. Okay, so display none click click update button. Okay, so display none. Okay, we use this. Not need to add we can add, not need, because our one button will hide. Okay, so we use this class name. Sorry, maybe a mistake. This one. Okay, that's good. And also yeah, perfect. So also same class. This one also hide. Okay, so I'll click on it, it will working. So I think we can change our cursor. So this one, so avatar upload I for file. Where is avatar upload? Avatar upload. Okay, so avatar upload I cursor pointer, and it will, I think now it's look perfect. Okay, that's good. So I think our UI is ready. Profile UI is ready. We will add this functionality. When we click on update profile, this table will be hide and input table. So let's remove. We have to make this one. Okay, this one. So it will input IMPUT. Okay, so input text. How we can use password. Okay, so here we can write anything, and as well we can write anything. Okay, so and its value will be change. Okay, but now we use now we use our this default value for testing purpose. Okay, you can see here is the value. Okay, so it will come from our state. Okay, so now we will hide this part. Okay, so profile UI is ready. Okay, so I'm back after few minutes. Okay, so our part is this part is ready. So we will add this functionality. When we click on update profile, the button will be changed to save profile. Okay, and the table also changed to the input field tables. Okay, so let's go to our code editor and let's do that. We'll add this functionality. Okay, so this one. So here is the bottom, here it is table, everything is okay. So at first, when we click on update profile, wait, okay, so this part is complete, and now we will add this functionality. When we will click on it, then the table will be changed and button also will be changed. Okay, and we can add username. I mean, we can update our username by clicking save profile, and we can add anything in our input field. Okay, so let's see. So this is the button update profile. When we click on it, at first we will add this functionality. When we click on it, then the button change and the table is also change. So for this we will call a function. So when you click on it, so we will use on click. So handle so hide. Okay, HANDLE. So HIDE. Okay, handle so hide. We will handle so and hide. And here we will we have to use state for this, because we have to manage our state. Okay, so const, and for this so hide table button. Okay, and set so hide table button. Okay, use state, and by default it will true, and when it's true, this table will be so, and when it's false, it will hide and this table will be so. We will add this function. That's why I used to. So here we will make our function. So I'm going to arrow function. So const this function. Okay, so it's very simple. We will change our state to just click on false. Okay, so this is the button. Okay, and here we will change it to not true. Okay, because we can also text it as a false. Okay, but we will use this function in two buttons. That's why I prefer to write in this way. Okay, and you can see this is our button and it's submit. So for now we can remove a submit from update button, because our update button not need to anything submit. And for submit button we will stop the prevent default behavior. So here is the event. So e.p reventdef prevent default. Okay. So our function is ready. So when we click on it, it will call the function, and prevent default will be null. Then the state will be update. Okay, true to false, or if false it will true. Perfect. So we have to write a condition for the button and for the table. So for button we'll add this condition. Okay, so if show table is equal to true, then it will show the update profile button. Else it will show, when it false, it will show the save profile button. Okay, so I think for our button, let's check our button is working on it. When I click on it, yeah, you can see our button is hide, and save button is also hide, because we if we remove this one, then we can see the save profile button. Okay, because this class we have to handle if our state is changed. So we have to write another condition and for our class name. So this one. So if it's true, display will none, it will none. So when true, the update profile is so, that's why we will hide our button. And if it's false, update profile will false, will hide, and also we have to show this button. So we will remove this class as a blank. Okay, so let's see. Okay, save profile. When you click on it, this one, oh sorry, because because we don't call this function on click. Okay, that's it. Okay, so update profile, when I click on update profile, adds the save profile button is 1. When I click on save profile, update profile is 1, and so save profile button is high. Perfect. And the same functionality for our this class names. Okay, so for this class, okay, so we will remove the class and this one. Okay, so we can, so then it will, we can use it to not showing, false, then the display card display click update button will this class will be add on here, so the table will be hide, and this will be so. But if you want, you can change it to blank it. The first condition is blank and second condition is this class. Okay, so let's see. We'll this one, when I update profile, you can see our username, email and password field is here. Okay, and then when I submit the save profile, let's go, it will go to the our HTTP request and also change it to update profile. Okay,
So I think that's perfectly working, and it's I think looks beautiful. Also, if you want, you can change it to this condition will be similar, but you have to change it, this one to this. Okay, similar, nothing change. Okay, nothing change, similar. Okay, so you can make this true, anything you want. So I think our my profile page is ready. So next tutorial we will work with our backend, I mean server side, and we will create our we will create our full database and our everything, I mean our backend, everything we will design and develop. So I think next two tutorial we will complete our full authentication project. It's a long I think it's take a few time, because I'm trying to describe everything, all of everything, all of the related of this project. Okay, that's why it takes few times. I think if you properly saw my tutorial, if you properly go with me step by step, and also the every tutorial you will see step by step, I think you will learn something from me. Okay, so I think this one is okay. I mean our my profile account and registration page is okay, or hopefully we will see our next tutorial. So take care, bye bye.